Hi, I'm Mike Bult and welcome to my YouTube channel where we're gonna do a few things. Number one, we're gonna help you improve performance. And number two, enhance your workplace culture. Hey, listen to this statistic. Studies show that up to as much as 85% of employees are disengaged. While they really want to do their best, they feel that their environment may be what's limiting their efforts. On this channel, you'll find videos on leadership, you'll find some videos on team performance, you'll find some videos on hiring and retaining top talent, some on employee engagement, and also organizational health. We're gonna take a look at the mindset, strategies, and tactics your leadership and staff can use to solve challenges in today's organizations. So, how did you find me? Maybe you saw me at one of my keynote presentations. Maybe it was a corporate training or from a podcast interview. But however you got here, you're in the right place if you want to enjoy a happier and healthier workplace culture. Now I want to encourage you to take the next step and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the other side.